Hello friends, merhaba arkadaşlar. In this lesson we are going to learn the present tense to be. On the right you can see the person pronouns and person pronoun suffixes, and in some cases we are going to need buffer letter ye. Let's start with an example. I am a student. First of all, I need to tell you that in Turkish we don't say I am a student, we say I am student. We don't use e in Turkish. Most of the time, especially in daily speech, we just say I am student. So let's write the person pronoun I first, ben, and the noun student, öğrenci, and to the end person pronoun suffix im. As you see, there are two vowels together, which shouldn't be, so we write a buffer letter between them, öğrenciyim. So I am a student, actually I am student is ben öğrenciyim. Ben öğrenciyim. Let's make one more example. You are a teacher, but we are going to say you are teacher. Person pronoun you, sen, teacher, öğretmen, and the person pronoun suffix to the end, öğretmensin. You are teacher, sen öğretmensin. It's that simple. Person pronoun, the noun, and the person pronoun suffix to the end. Let's make one more example. He is handsome. Student and teacher were nouns. Handsome is an adjective, but the grammar rule is not going to change. Let's write the person pronoun he first. O, handsome, yakışıklı, and the person pronoun suffix, there is no person pronoun suffix for o, so the sentence is o yakışıklı. He is handsome. O yakışıklı. Let's make some plural examples. We are doctors. Okay, in Turkish, there is a difference here too. We don't say we are doctors, we say we are doctors. This plural form we are not using in Turkish. We just take it in the singular form. So the sentence is going to be with the personal pronoun we, biz. Instead of doctors, we are going to say doctor, which is doktor, and to the end, personal pronoun suffix, uz. Biz doktoruz. We are doctors. Biz doktoruz. Be careful, you are going to use singular form of the noun. Next one, you are nurses. But we are going to say you are nurse, even it is plural. The personal pronoun you in plural is siz, nurse, hemşire, and the personal pronoun suffix to the end, hemşiresiniz. Siz hemşiresiniz. You are nurses. Siz hemşiresiniz. One last example. They are beautiful. Doctor and nurse were nouns. Beautiful is an adjective, but the rule is not going to change. Personal pronoun they, onlar. Beautiful, güzel. Personal pronoun suffix to the end, güzeller. They are beautiful. Onlar güzeller. Alright, these were the positive sentences. Now let's take a look at some negative ones. For words, negative suffix was ma or me, which alternates according to two-way vowel harmony, and we have learned this in our previous lessons. But now we have nouns and adjectives. So for the sentences with nouns and adjectives, we are going to need a word to make that sentence negative, and that word is değil. Let's see an example. I am not a student. Let's write the person pronoun I first. Ben. Student, öğrenci. Now I want to write not student, so I'm going to add değil. Student, öğrenci. Not student, öğrenci değil. And the person pronoun suffix to the end. Değilim. Ben öğrenci değilim. I'm not a student. Ben öğrenci değilim. Alright, let's make one more example. You are not a teacher. Let's write the person pronoun you first. Sen. Teacher, öğretmen. Not teacher, öğretmen değil. And the person pronoun suffix to the end, öğretmen değilsin. Sen öğretmen değilsin. You are not a teacher. Sen öğretmen değilsin. Let's make one more example. He is not handsome. Student and teacher were nouns. Handsome is an adjective, but the rule is the same. Person pronoun he, o, handsome, yakışıklı, not handsome, yakışıklı değil, and the person pronoun suffix none, so the sentence is o yakışıklı değil. He is not handsome. O yakışıklı değil. One more example. We are not doctors. The person pronoun we is biz, doctors, doktor. Just like before, instead of writing a plural form, we are writing a singular form. Doctor, not doctor, değil, and the person pronoun suffix to the end. Değiliz. Biz doktor değiliz. We are not doctors. Biz doktor değiliz. One more example. You are not nurses. The person pronoun you, plural, siz. Instead of nurses, we are going to write nurse, hemşire. Not nurse, hemşire değil. Person pronoun suffix to the end, değilsiniz. Siz hemşire değilsiniz. You are not nurses. Siz hemşire değilsiniz. One last example. They are not beautiful. Let's write the person pronoun they first. Onlar. Beautiful, güzel. Not beautiful, güzel değil. And the person pronoun suffix to the end. Değiller. Onlar güzel değiller. They are not beautiful. Onlar güzel değiller. Alright, these are the negative and positive sentences with nouns and adjectives in a sentence. Now let's see the question forms. First of all, the positive question form. The question suffix is mi, mı, mu, or mü, which alternates according to four-way vowel harmony. Let's see an example. Am I a student? This is the question. Alright, first let's write the person pronoun I, ben, then student, öğrenci, then the question suffix after a space, mi, and the person pronoun suffix to the end, im. Again, there are two vowels, so I need a buffer letter between them. Miyim. Ben öğrenci miyim? Am I a student? Ben öğrenci miyim? One more example. Are you a teacher? Let's write you, person pronoun you first. Sen. Teacher, öğretmen. A space and after that a question suffix, mi, and the person pronoun suffix to the end. Sen öğretmen misin? Are you a teacher? Sen öğretmen misin? One more example. Is he handsome? This time it's an adjective. Let's write the person pronoun he first. O, handsome, yakışıklı. We are going to leave a space and write the question suffix, mı. There is no person pronoun suffix for o, so the question sentence is, o yakışıklı mı? Is he handsome? O yakışıklı mı? Okay, now let's write some plural sentences. Are we doctors? Let's write person pronoun we first. Biz. Doctors, doktor. We are not writing plural, we are writing singular. Then leaving a space and writing the question suffix, mu, and the person pronoun suffix to the end all the time. There are two vowels together, we need a buffer letter between them. So the sentence is, biz doktor muyuz? Are we doctors? Biz doktor muyuz? One more plural example. Are you nurses? Let's write the person pronoun you, plural, siz. Instead of nurses, we are going to write nurse, hemşire, and the question suffix and person pronoun suffix to the end. Siz hemşire misiniz? Are you nurses? Siz hemşire misiniz? One last example. Are they beautiful? Let's write the person pronoun they first. Onlar. Beautiful, güzel. At this point, for the person pronoun they, we are going to write the person pronoun suffix and the question suffix will come to the end. Onlar güzeller mi? Are they beautiful? Onlar güzeller mi? Alright, these are the positive question sentences. Let's see the negative question sentences. So again, we are going to need the word değil to give a negative meaning to the sentence, and the question suffix is going to be me. Let's see an example. Am I not a student? Let's write the person pronoun I first, ben. Student, öğrenci. Not student, öğrenci değil. Question suffix, me, and the person pronoun suffix to the end. Two vowels cannot be together, so I need a buffer letter. And the sentence is, ben öğrenci değil miyim? Am I not a student? Ben öğrenci değil miyim? Let's make one more example. Are you not a teacher? Person pronoun you, sen. Teacher, öğretmen. Not teacher, öğretmen değil. The question suffix me and the person pronoun suffix to the end. Sen öğretmen değil misin? Are you not a teacher? Sen öğretmen değil misin? One more example. Is he not handsome? The person pronoun he, o. Handsome, yakışıklı. Not handsome, yakışıklı değil. Question suffix me. There is no person pronoun suffix, so the sentence is, o yakışıklı değil mi? Is he not handsome? O yakışıklı değil mi? Let's make some plural examples. Are we not doctors? Let's write the person pronoun we first. Biz. Doctors, but we are going to write singular doctor. Not doctor, doktor değil. And the question suffix me and the person pronoun suffix to the end. Two vowels cannot be together. We need a buffer letter between them. So the sentence is, biz doktor değil miyiz? Are we not doctors? Biz doktor değil miyiz? One more example. Are you not nurses? Person pronoun you, plural, siz. Nurses, but singular, nurse, hemşire. Not nurse, hemşire değil. Question suffix me and the person pronoun suffix to the end. Siz hemşire değil misiniz? Are you not nurses? Siz hemşire değil misiniz? And the last example. Are they not beautiful? This time it's an adjective, beautiful. Personal pronoun they, onlar. Beautiful, güzel. Not beautiful, değil. Be careful, we are going to write the personal pronoun suffix now and the question suffix to the end. Onlar güzel değiller mi? Are they not beautiful? Onlar güzel değiller mi? Alright friends, if you have any questions about this lesson, present tense to be, please write them in the comment section. And do not forget to subscribe. Hope to see you in our following lessons. For now, goodbye. Hoşça kalın.